Hi, I'm Tim from Blue Sun Group, here with Rex from Growatt. Good to meet you, Rex. Thank you, mate. But what's your role here at Growatt, mate?
My name is Rex Wang. I'm the marketing manager for Growatt Australia since 2017.
Oh, fantastic. So this is not your first All Energy?
Probably the 5th or the 6th, I cannot remember.
We're going to go have a look at some of the new products you have available this year, and let's go check it out.
Sure.
Okay, Rex, what are we looking at here?
This is our latest All-in-One Inverter. This one's very easy to install. The one on top is the inverter itself. This one is the wire box with all the DC connections, DC variable switch, and cables, and also even smart meter inside of this part. This is battery modular. Each of these batteries are ARP batteries. Each of the modular is 5 kilowatt hour each.
So this is now available, or it's coming soon?
It's going to be approved in Australia in 2 months' time.
Perfect. Okay, we'll keep an eye out for it. So this is your new hybrid setup?
Yeah, this is obviously for the small commercial one. It's around 10 kilowatt to 30 kilowatt. It has 3 MPPT. Each MPPT got 2 screens of the input.
Yeah, perfect.
And it's battery ready. It can work with our ATX high voltage battery, S2 high voltage battery. The maximum charge and discharge capacity is 15 kilowatt.
So good for light commercial, small commercial systems.
It's normally, you can use it for residential as they start with 10 kilowatt and the largest one is 30 kilowatt.
Yeah, okay.
And you can pair 3 of them together, give you like a 90 kilowatt hour.
So what we're looking at now is your new residential
large single phase PV inverter. This one is the 2nd generation, what we call a 7 to 10 kilowatt PLX2. The biggest difference with the 1st generation, we updated the input current from 30.5 ampere into 60 ampere. That means it can work with most, I think 99% of the solar panels in the market.